So to prevent the house from burning, what are things that people could do in terms of practice, or is it an individual process that one has to deal with their karma? You know, some things work better for certain people than others, reading.
The age-old recommendation is to be close to a teacher of some sort. A teacher is not intended to mean just a knowledgeable person or a book reader, a person who reads books. A teacher is supposed to be somebody who's operating from a deeper or higher place, who's not suffering the same burning karma and emotional chaos that everybody else is. See? And so, yeah, find someone, it could be in your family, who's not suffering your stuff, and trying to resonate more closely with what would appear to be their non-suffering, if that's the case. Right. Now, happy people also suffering, but they obviously have more to be happy about, so they show up as happy. But you peel away some of that. If they're not practicing in the way that I'm talking about, then their suffering is just a little bit behind the scenes there. It's there. Right. They're still grumbling, growling, crying, carrying on, and neurotic and freaking out and all the rest of that. It's there, but you know, they're happy, they have good karma, so they're happy-go-lucky and tripping and whatever, but the suffering is there. Right. It's there until it's burnt out. See? So then you have to burn that house, the house of suffering. That has to burn, so that you become much more capable of happiness, and a word that you mentioned earlier about what is neutral. So we have to get to the neutral zone. The best way to get closer to the neutral zone is around people who are serious practitioners, who are not suffering what everybody else suffers, who are after suffering, post-suffering, they're creating something, they're creating solutions for people.